Hey, in this lesson we will talk about how shaders communicate. So you have two programmable sections in the graphics pipeline. The vertex shader, which is responsible for positioning the vertices, and the fragment shader, which is responsible for coloring the pixels. Since they are part of the pipeline, they are naturally passing the vertex information as a minimum. The vertex buffer needs to output positions and the fragment needs to output colors. Otherwise, the vertex shader doesn't have any other in parameters except the vertex information. But the vertex information is not only the position, it might also be color. And if you want to pass the color to the fragment shader, we need the out parameter. This out parameter is then an in parameter in the fragment shader. And the fragment can then use this to calculate its output, which is usually the color. We can also have the application communicate to one or both shaders. This is done through uniforms, which come in a few forms. Uniform buffers, which are collections of data saved in memory to be retrieved by the GPU. Push constants, very small collections of data that are saved within the draw command itself. And samplers. Samplers are special objects that will sample a texture. They're passed when you want an image displayed. This is how the application and shaders communicate. See you in the next one.